Lehigh Acres Tech Support Service is your go-to for trusted, professional tech support in Lehigh Acres, Florida. We're here to solve your tech issues efficiently. Got tech issues? We've got solutions. From slow computers to network problems, we fix it all. Our team is equipped to handle a wide range of technical challenges. We come to you. Whether at home or the office, your convenience is our priority. Plus, we offer remote tech support for quick fixes without leaving your desk. Our services are affordable, ensuring quality tech support that won't break the bank. We believe in providing value without compromising on service quality. Our common services include computer repair, virus removal, network troubleshooting, and software installation. Our experienced and friendly technicians speak tech so you don't have to. Choose us for reliable service, fast response times, and a locally owned and operated business. We're committed to providing the best tech support experience. Contact us today. Call 239-387-1900 or visit techsupportservices.lehighacresfl.com. Don't wait for tech problems to get worse. Your solution is just a call away.